guys, excuse me for my low voice, but it's really cold here outside. We should have a Urus SE. Okay, beautiful spec. I don't know, guys, I still think it sounds kinda weird. Yeah, of course, that's because I'm still used to the old Euro sound, the twin-turbo V8 one. Oh, that's great! The first Revuelto! Oh, we didn't go start plate! Okay, that's a first! And did you see the dual-tone body panels? Interesting! Oh, no way! Another Revuelto! Wow, with a camouflage body! Okay, still very interesting. They are definitely working on the Revuelto platform, guys. Oh, interesting situation here. Okay, one Urus and another one. Oh, this is the Urus I see from before. Beautiful. And then the dark green Urus S. Beautiful combo! Oh my god, I think we have another hybrid V12! Wow! Nice startup! He's flexing the active rear wing! Wow, not bad! Now wait a moment! Oh, I was right! It's the Temerario! Okay, it's definitely too quiet, but what's going on at the back? I don't know, I still have so many questions about the Temerario, but it's a great spot nonetheless. Guys, we have another V12, I'm pretty sure. Yes, indeed. Okay, and it also had the bold flow calipers, love it! Oh, this is very unexpected! No way! Kinda cool, right? It's the full electric Maserati Gran Turismo Folgore. I guess it's time for more benchmarking. Nah, there is no way! I really think we have another Revuelto coming out! Oh yes! An orange one! Wow, amazing! Now it looks like the sun has suddenly come out, but we also have one of the Uruses coming back. Oh, beautiful! Thanks to the sun, we can now see the dark green paint job. Thanks! Let's see. Ooh, what? Oh no, with the torque vectoring gear! That's so cool! Wow, it's definitely been a while since I've seen this kind of test with the Revuelto. It's so weird, right? I heard a V12 starting up! Oh yes! That's like the 5th Revuelto of the day, something like that! Okay, not bad! Okay, I think we have another Revuelto! Yes, in orange again! I just can't believe the amount of Revueltos we've seen today! It's truly amazing! And do you know what is also extremely cool? This! But Varix, what is that? Let me show you! It's the sponsor of today's video, the Kwumsy S6. It's a compact and versatile laptop screen extender designed to enhance your productivity and multitasking capabilities. It offers Full HD resolution for sharp, clear visuals, making it suitable for professional work, but also occasional gaming or entertainment, yeah. Its sleek, foldable design is really amazing. I mean, check out how easy it really is to carry around and set up. It fits in any decent-sized backpack, and it requires just under a minute to get ready. How cool is that? It's also equipped with plug-and-play functionality. The Kwumsy S6 simplifies the setup process by using USB Type-C and HDMI connections, depending on your peripherals. Its wide compatibility ensures it works seamlessly with most laptops out there, but also with a whole lot of other devices, including full-size PCs and workstations, gaming consoles, and also smartphones. This makes it ideal for any workflow, such as programming, video editing, or simple multitasking. I've always wanted a second monitor for my studio, and guess what? Now I've got 3! What an unexpected outcome, huh? Now if you're always on the move, just like me, don't even worry. It's super lightweight and portable, so that you can bring your professional workstation with you wherever you go. Even while carspotting in Sant'Agata Bolognese, yes! Inside the well-presented box you will find all the possible accessories and cables you could ever need. HDMI, USB Type-A or Type-C, you just name it. And guys, don't even get me started on the quality of the product. Fine materials and a super sleek design, I couldn't possibly ask for more. The screens can be rotated and moved around pretty much anywhere you like, with a wide range of possible mountings to prioritize any of the 2 screens in landscape or portrait mode. I know, gotta edit those Instagram reels, right? Anyway, now I think I'm getting way too excited for this. If you are in need for a high-quality dual-screen extender, head over to Kwumsy stores using the link in the pinned comment down below. And now back to some interesting Lambos! Pretty simple spec here, but what a mean car! Ooh, we have a bright Urus SE! Yes, on Italian plate! Beautiful orange one! Oh my god, is this my lucky day or what? Orange one here, very nice, and I think that's the grey one. Come on, give us something good! Oh yes, another one! sense. Like, how many Revueltos have we seen today? 7, 8? I don't know, so many. Now, guys, I think we might have an issue here. There is too much wind. And I honestly don't even know if you can properly hear me now, but I will try anyway, even if I have to scream. Oh my god, and then it goes another Revuelto. Now this is pretty much crazy, guys. The wind is getting worse and worse, but at the same time I think we have a Urus SE getting... Yes! I don't even know if you can hear the sound of the engine, honestly. There is so much wind. Very well, what do we have here? Oh, it's the dual tone Revuelto with the Ingolstadt plates. Yeah, it sounded pretty good, but unfortunately because of the wind, I don't really think you heard it. I don't know, guys, can you even hear me now? I've never ever seen so much wind in Sant'Agata Bolognese. Oh, we have a Revuelto! Oh, something's going on here! Nice! But anyway, interesting spec! I just don't get it. The wind is getting worse and worse. At the same time, what do we have? A black Urus S with the red calipers. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can't hear anything about the engine of this car. And I honestly can't either. There is so... Oh my god! Wow, beautiful Revuelto! Yes, flexing the active wing once again! Wow, I really hope you got to hear the startup on this one! But again, I don't think that was the case. Too much wind today! Oh, finally, we have the Temerario coming back! I will try my best to record the sound of the engine, guys. I don't know, hopefully you heard that. Guys, can you even see this now? It's getting dangerous, oh my god. Oh, I think we have the weird Revuelto with the things on the wheels. Wow, that's super cool! I really love to see these kind of tools fitted into supercars for testing purposes. Oh no, guys! You already know I always use a chair here, right? Well, it's now underneath water! Oh my god! Thank you, wind! Oh no, my poor chair! How the f*** am I supposed to get it back now? Still the launch spec, but it's a beautiful shade of orange. Oh my god, it's getting worse! But hey, another Revuelto! close! Again, nothing I can do to withstand the noise of the wind. Hey, can you help me retrieve the chair, please? No, come on, where are you going? It's right there. Oh my god, it's so sad. Oh, no, come on, I missed the Revuelto getting back. But anyway, being here today is pretty much useless. I bet you can't even hear the hybrid V12 of the car. Again, I missed another one. Oh my god, beautiful spec on the Urus SE. Oh my god, at this pace I'm gonna fly away. Okay, beautiful one getting back. Nice choice for the light blue body, black wheels and red calipers. Guess what? We have another Revuelto. I mean, it's the dual tone with the Ingolstadt plates. And yeah, we've seen this one at least twice today, but pretty interesting indeed. Now guys, with this one, I think I'm really done for today. Not only the wind is ruining almost every clip, but it's also extremely cold and I can't handle it anymore. Now, was today's amazing car spotting session worth all the pain and suffering? Yeah, I honestly think so. And with that said, I wish you a wonderful day and see you very, very soon. Bye, guys!